Hey everyone, have you ever wanted a clear, organized calendar inside Notion to keep track of your tasks, deadlines, and project? It can totally change the way you manage your work. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to work smarter, not harder. If you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a guide like this. Now, in today's tutorial, I will show you step by step how you can add a calendar to Notion and making your workflow much more organized and productive. So hopefully you have the account on Notion, and let's say I want to add a calendar here. I'm just keeping this space. Now here just type this one and search for the calendar, and you can see there is an option for the calendar view. Just click on this. See, your calendar is appear here. So basically this is how you can add the calendar on the Notion. But if you want to manage the calendar, there is an option from Notion. They have a different software which is the Notion calendar. You can use them to organize and much more optimized with Notion. So basically that's it, and now you know how to add a calendar in a Notion to manage your task and project more effectively. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe this channel, and check the link in the description for the offer link and the latest information. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.